Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of touchscreens and discover how they've completely transformed the way we interact with our gadgets. Imagine a world where to interact with your devices you had to push buttons or turn dials. Sounds cumbersome, right? Well, that was our reality until the touchscreen technology revolutionized everything. Touchscreens, in a nutshell, are displays that can detect the presence and location of a touch within the display area. This includes swiping, tapping, and even multi-fingered gestures. But how do these screens actually work? At the heart of it, touchscreens combine an input and output device. The top layer, the part you touch, is the input device. Below it, the visual display processes the input. There are mainly two types of touchscreens, resistive and capacitive. Resistive screens work by pressing two layers together. So when you press down on the screen, it causes the two layers to touch, creating an electrical contact which is then processed by the phone. Capacitive screens, which are more common in today's smartphones, work through anything that holds an electrical charge, like your finger. These screens have a layer that stores an electrical charge, and touching the screen changes the electrical charge at the touch point. This technology isn't just in your smartphones or tablets, it's in ATMs, car displays, and even medical equipment. It's making technology more accessible and intuitive. From its early days, where touchscreens were clunky and required a stylus, to the sleek multi-touch interfaces we use today. The journey of touchscreen technology is truly remarkable. Manufacturers have seamlessly integrated touch technology into virtually all digital displays, making it a fundamental aspect of modern device design. So the next time you swipe through your phone or zoom in on a map with a pinch, think about the incredible technology at your fingertips. Touchscreens have not just made our gadgets cooler, but have fundamentally changed how we interact with our digital world. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this dive into touchscreen technology as fascinating as I did. Stay tuned for more tech insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates.